our national security policy, as you mentioned, there is a very serious concern in the recent, findings. This huge amount of, massive amount of nitrate, which was yesterday recovered, and involvement of doctors, involvement of intellectuals. Sir, how do you deal with the internal threats here?
See, first of all, I think we should take heart from the fact that all this has got discovered. And usually, what happens in our country is that when the intelligence agencies unearth these kind of things which are a part of the ecosystem, you will find the story coming out on the third page or the fifth page or the seventh page. But when a blast happens, obviously you're going to find it on the first page. So human memory is limited to what they see normally on the headlines and the first page, right? I think what has happened already and what the intelligence agencies have been able to do over the years is something we need to take note of and be inspired by it. This latest discovery itself, for 15 days they were conducting this whole operation. And this probably will carry on for a fairly long time subsequently also. While they may be going public about one operation and talking about it, I am quite assured that at the same time there must be 10 such operations going on from the intelligence agencies, which we do not know about. So when you are not aware of the system, when people are not aware of the system, obviously they won't know about it. And intelligence is such a field where you cannot go public. You have to keep things under wraps. Only at the appropriate time that you reveal it. So people like us who have dealt with national security and this kind of a thing, I think we should speak more often, as we are speaking just now, and convey this message to the people in the rest of the country to say that I think the country is in safe hands. And whatever you're seeing at this time is a manifestation of issues which will continue. We are not saying this is going to come to an end overnight, but I think all this will be managed
But
well
we
by
are
the
better
government.
secured,
We
you're
are
saying.
much better secured.